You can mirror one smartphone with Android Auto, either wirelessly or by plugging it into the USB port in your new Jeep Compass. All Android devices come with the Android Auto application already installed. To connect your smartphone wirelessly to your vehicle, press the Settings application on your vehicle's central touchscreen. Select the Connectivity tab, then Devices, to select the device you wish to connect to Android Auto. If you have any trouble with the wireless connection, check that Android Auto wireless connection is activated correctly on the developer menu of your device. If the device has never been connected to the system, pair it. The system will detect whether the smartphone is Android Auto compatible, and if it is, it will automatically offer to connect to Android Auto or stay in Bluetooth. If the device has already been connected to the system by Bluetooth, in the list of recognized devices, press directly on the Android Auto button to show the projection of your device in the vehicle screen. Android Auto will be automatically chosen as the wireless connection mode. To reconnect your smartphone on your next trip, simply activate Bluetooth on your device. As soon as the connection is established, press the Android Auto button on your new Jeep Compass's screen to display the Android Auto interface. To connect your device using a cable, plug your phone's USB cable into your new Jeep Compass's USB port. Your smartphone will also be charging when it is connected via the cable. After a few seconds, Android Auto will automatically launch. During the first connection, you will have to follow a validation process on your smartphone. For your safety, this must be carried out whilst the vehicle is parked. Lastly, to activate your smartphone's voice controls, simply long press on the voice control button on your steering wheel.